got my oven preheating to 375 degrees. And I put a half a stick of butter in my big skillet, and I'm going to cut that on. With my butter, I'm going to add a half of an onion. And I'm just going to saute that for a few minutes while that gets soft. Meanwhile, I've got about 2 pounds of potatoes that I've washed and cut off any bad spots, and you want to slice them as thin as you can get them. So I'm just going to use my mandolin. Now I'm going to butter my dish. Oops. Not going to have any milk before it's all over with. Alright. Alright, my onions are just about there. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic. Now this recipe is based off of the Pioneer Woman with just a few tweaks, and the garlic is one of them. I love garlic. Cook this for a few more minutes. Right, now I'm adding half a cup of all-purpose flour, and we just want this to brown. I'm going to set my dish aside for right now. You want to cook out that raw taste of the flour. Now I'm going to stir in 2 cups of milk. This is whole milk. And where the Pioneer Woman wants half and half, I don't have half and half, so I'm adding a cup of cream, which you can't go wrong with that. And you want to stir this till it thickens. It may take a minute or two, but you want to keep on stirring it. It's almost done. And now I'm adding a teaspoon of black pepper. And she didn't say this, but I'm adding a teaspoon of seasoned salt. To me, potatoes just need salt. And you get a little bit of the extra flavor of seasoned salt without so much salt. Now I want to add half of my potatoes on the bottom of my buttered dish. And I'm going to add half of my ham. And half of my sauce. It got very thick. Now I want to add half of my cheese, and I am using Colby Jack. I am using Colby Jack. And it was 2 cups of ham, so I used about a cup on the bottom. And now I just want to repeat. These are about 2 pounds of potatoes. And Pioneer Woman, she said Monterey Jack, but I think you can use whatever you want. I had Colby Jack. Now we got the rest of our ham. Spread it all around. And I diced it pretty small for ham. And now the rest of our sauce. Now we just want to top it with the rest of our cheese. And that's about 2 to 3 cups. She called for 2 cups, but I really like cheese. And I probably could even go even more. Now I want to cover this with aluminum foil, turn side down. At least that's what my mama always told me. And I'm going to bake it in that 375 degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. After I'll cook this for about 30 to 40 minutes, and afterwards I'm going to remove the foil and cook it for about 15 more minutes. So I'll see you then. Here it is. Doesn't that look good? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.